Hello friends, welcome back to my video. Today we are sharing a heartwarming tale that reminds us of the power of patience, perseverance and self-acceptance. Get cozy, relax and let's dive into The Little Seed. A small seed was planted in the ground and nurtured with care. As it is grew, the seed noticed the other seeds sprouting faster. The seed felt discouraged and asked, "Why I am not growing like the others?" A wise old tree replied, "You are not behind, little seed. Your growth may be slow, but it is strong and deep." The seed continued to grow, and soon it became a tall and sturdy tree, providing shade and shelter for all. Moral: don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your own journey and remember that slow and steady growth can lead to great strength and success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more inspiring stories.